This silk press is very much so tea. Okay, first of all, let's get into the shine.
I'm back with another great silk press tutorial, you guys, using the Texture Crush Haircare line. I'm starting off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair by using their main squeeze frizz fighting moisturizing shampoo, followed up with the Do the Most frizz fighting moisturizing conditioner. We love a good clean base for a silk press, you guys. Keep in mind, I did go in and lather with that shampoo twice, and I did follow up with a deep conditioner after the Do the Most conditioner. So I'm just sectioning off my hair and following up with the Shine Shield Delivered. First of all, let's get into the names for these products because I'm absolutely loving it. The Shine Shield and Delivered leave-in conditioner literally provides you with frizz fighting properties. Okay, this is key for a good silk press that you want to last for up to 2 weeks. So in essence, this Shine Shield Delivered product acts as a 3-in-1 product because it's a lightweight leave-in conditioner. It has frizz fighting properties in it, and it also acts as a heat shield. So I'm spraying this all over my hair and definitely really focusing it on the ends of my hair. Now it's time to get into the process. So this is my hair blow dried on one side. Love the sheen that it already has. And I'm blow drying my hair with my Revlon powder brush. You guys know I love this tool. And this is the key right here. This Silk Me Out Frizz Fighting Smoothing Serum is literally the key. I swear this is honestly where all the sheen came from in my silk press. The fact that it is an extra layer of heat protection and a frizz fighting humidity blocker is key for a silk press to last up to 2 weeks. I just simply apply this to all of my sections before I go in with blow drying. And the key step that I also like to mention whenever I do a silk press is you want to make sure that you're getting your hair as stretched as possible through the blow drying stage. Honestly, I feel like this is what gets it as silky as possible when you go through with the flat iron. I personally blow dry my hair on high heat, high speed. Again, because if I'm about to straighten my hair, I want it to be bone straight. I want it to be worth the process. So I just take my time and I pretty much blow my hair in 4 quadrants. So you're seeing me do one section with this Silk Me Out Smoothing Serum. And these are how my results are looking so far. About an hour and a half in, my hair is growing out so much. I'm almost done growing out that little brown patch where I used to have my bleached hair. So I'm really happy with the length and the shine so far. So showing you guys up close what I like to do in each section is literally just separate each section into smaller sections. And as I'm going through it, I'm using my Babyliss flat iron, the ceramic 1-inch. I only do 2 passes through each small individual section, and you will see me pick up my shears in a second and pretty much just do a very, very light trim. Not even a trim, more so like dusting. I personally like to go through and dust my ends on each small individual section, and then at the end I kind of just dust around my entire head all together just to make sure the entire cut is pretty much even. But I am very, very pleased with how lightweight these products are and the impeccable shine that's on it on each section. Like, I'm just obsessed. This is honestly one of the best product lines for heat styling, period. Another great thing about Texture Crush is it's vegan and cruelty free, and it's Black woman owned. In fact, the founder of Texture Crush is Tania Golstead, and she is actually a FAMU alumna, and I absolutely love to see Rattlers go out and do great things. She was formerly the director of marketing at Cream of Nature, so to see her create her own brand of products is absolutely amazing to see. For someone who doesn't really straighten their hair that much throughout the year, this is my 3rd time straightening my hair, and like I said, honestly, I can say that this may have been my best results. And I really just credit that to the fact that it was lightweight products. My hair feels moisturized, and with this type of sheen and humidity blocker, I am able to wrap my hair for up to 2 weeks and keep it in this silk press state. Now, personally for me, I am someone who likes to have long layers, so I will probably go in and still reshape my hair when I go back to my wash and goes. But look at that body in movement. And honestly, the real magic happens when you wrap your hair, and you'll see in the next clip how it looks the very next day. But just look at that.
You guys, this silk press is very much so tea. Okay, first of all, let's get into the shine. I mean, the bounce, the shine is impeccable. One thing I absolutely love about this is the fact that I still got to put a leave-in conditioner that has a heat shield in it along with a serum. So these two combined, love it. And I also have a really cute bonnet that I got to wrap my hair in last night. And these adorable clips. Are you kidding me? They are creaseless, crush-proof creaseless clips. Very cute. I just love the color contrast of this pink and orange. It's absolutely beautiful. This is definitely one of the best silk presses I've had in a minute. I just like the overall feel. It doesn't feel like it's too dry. It doesn't feel like it's oily. It's like this perfect combination that I can tell won't frizz up. I'm in Houston right now, and I fly back and forth to Atlanta, Houston all the time. I went to school in Florida, by the way, Tallahassee, FAMU. But one thing I noticed with my hair is the humidity will make it blow up. So the fact that both the serum and the leave conditioner have a frizz fighting blocker in it is all that I need. And by the density or the feel of it, I can tell that if I go out right now and the humidity is at like 30%, my hair is still gonna be fine. And that's what I look for in a silk press product. So showing you guys that shine up close. Gorgeous.